Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set up the Gov Home app on an iPhone. Before we start, make sure of three things. First, your Gov lights is plugged in and turned on. Second, your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi. And third, you have already downloaded the Gov Home app from the App Store. Let's get started. First, open the Gov Home app on your iPhone and make sure you are logged into your account. Now, on the home screen, tap the plus icon in the top right corner to add a device. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on your iPhone. The app will now search for nearby Gov device. When your Gov lights appear, tap on it. Next, follow the on-screen instruction to connect the light to Wi-Fi. Select your Wi-Fi network, enter the password and tap confirm. Wait a few seconds while the app connects. Once connected, you will see your Gov light on the home screen. Tap on it to turn it on or off. Change colors, brightness or effects. And that's it. Your Gov Home app is now fully set up on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.